Right before my move to South Dakota to team up with my brother, I put on another branch workshop here in Cushing, Oklahoma, the Pipeline Crossroads of the world. Share a step and then do the whole step. And then once you're done with that step, come back and we'll see the next step. The 12-on-12 branch test is one of the most common pipeline weld tests, not to mention one of the most intimidating. Our goal here at the workshop is to help the attendees feel more confident walking into their first pipeline weld test. Maybe try putting your hand right here. I remember back when I got started in my pipelining career, I had trouble finding someone to show me how to do the branch test from start to finish. Not to mention show me every little detail of how to get a perfect fit every single time. Because with the branch test, a perfect fit is key. Very important on the branch, because one of the things that you're focused on is your fit. That's like the main goal with this branch is your fit. Over the 8 years of my pipelining career, I tested in for 22 or 23 different oil and gas companies, and at least 20 of those weld tests were accompanied by the 12-on-12 branch. There you go. Throughout all those years, I was able to refine my process of taking the branch test, and that's what we pass on to those who attend the workshop. Towards the front and horizontal. Make sure your seam is on bottom. One of the reasons I love these in-person workshops is because of what I learn from the attendees themselves. The in-person feedback is absolutely invaluable. Networking is a huge part of the workshop. That's why I wanted to include a couple of meals where we all sat down, visited with each other, got to know each other. Because if I've learned anything over the years of my pipeline welding career, it's that networking is the key to staying busy.
I really enjoyed your patience and your teaching skills.
Just watching your videos, you made it look easy. You know, after actually doing it, I was like, this is kind of tricky.
Whatever I thought I knew it's nothing to the knowledge that I picked up. So it's very, very insightful as far as just seeing the whole picture.
You're definitely getting more value than what you're actually paying for. And it'll be with you forever. So you can't put a price on that.
I just want to give a huge thanks to the attendees for your feedback and for your kind words. Future workshops are going to be so much more valuable because of you. Speaking of community, I want to give a huge thanks to Stillwater Steel for supplying the pipe for the workshop and to American Welding Supply for supplying the consumables. The next workshop is going to be on May 3rd and May 4th in Spearfish, South Dakota, and I'm looking forward to seeing everyone there. And remember, learn something every day. We'll see you up north.